Greetings, this is Masani, and I'm going to show you 3 upper body exercises that will strengthen your core while keeping your upper body lean and toned. The first exercise is a chest press on the ball. This exercise is great for toning up your chest and strengthening your core. Make sure you tighten your glutes and make sure your feet are hip width apart. And just breathe. The second exercise is a one-arm row on the ball. This exercise targets your upper back and rear delts while at the same time strengthening your lower back and abdominals. Don't forget to keep your neck in line with your spinal cord. And just breathe. The third exercise is an abdominal crunch on the ball, which strengthens the abdominal region and also strengthens the core because you have to stay balanced on the ball to perform this exercise. All right, guys, thanks a lot for joining me. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you